A house that smells good for 7 days and 7 nights. That's right. You heard it correctly. And the best part is, even your neighbors will notice. Since I learned this tip, my house has never smelled the same. It's the kind of trick you try once, and then immediately wonder how you lived without it. Let me show you how to do it. To begin, take 3 lemons, preferably the most acidic ones, as they work better for this recipe. Now, make the first cut at the bottom, so the lemon can stand without rolling. Then, make a cut at the top, forming an X. Be careful not to cut all the way through. We want the lemon to open up a bit, but remain intact. Do this with 3 lemons if you want to prepare several versions at once. Comment below where you're from. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Now, take a few small containers. I'm using simple plastic cups here, but you can use anything you have on hand: glass, ceramic, even old candle jars. Place 1 lemon in each container. Gently open the cut at the top to reveal the juicy interior. This is where the magic happens. Let's add the next ingredient: coarse salt. Add 2 tablespoons directly into the center of the lemon in each cup. The salt helps neutralize odors and slowly releases the natural oils from the lemon into the air, creating a fresh and clean aroma. Now, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This step is essential. The vinegar not only intensifies the smell, but also has powerful deodorizing properties. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now it's time to create 3 variations. For the first, add half a cap of your favorite fabric softener. This is my favorite, for a fresh, cozy, laundry-like smell that spreads gently through the air. For the second variation, add a generous amount of whole cloves. They not only intensify the citrus scent, but also serve as a natural repellent for flies and mosquitoes. And for the third variation, my favorite, break a cinnamon stick into small pieces and spread it over the salt and lemon. The scent is warm, cozy, and perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in any room. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now, let's talk about where to place them. The lemon with fabric softener? Perfect for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or anywhere you want a super fresh and clean scent. The clove version? Place it near doors, windows, or in the kitchen to naturally repel insects while leaving the air smelling vibrant and inviting. And the cinnamon variation? Use it in the living room, bedroom, or office. It instantly creates a sense of peace and balance. The best part is how long they last. These natural deodorizers release their scent for days. If you loved this tip, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite variation.